Hello everybody, here I have two folding knives, Victorinox folding knives, and this video is about this new knife that Victorinox is producing now. It's a synergy folding knife. I always carried a pocket knife since I was a child, but never carried a Victorinox knife, folding knife. I usually carry some kind of a jackknife or one-bladed knife instead. But this one, I have been carrying it and I really like it. It's another thing, my father used to carry Victorinox knives, folding knives, those thick ones with many layers. I didn't like them, but this one I think is a big step forward compared to the old style Victorinox folding knives. I've been carrying this one for a few weeks and I like it a lot. Basically, if you compare, you can see the blade is thicker in the new one, and the most important thing to me is it has a lock. It has a liner lock. You can see here. So the blade stays locked when you open it. You have to move the liner lock to disengage the lock and close. So, well, that's the video. Well, this has, of course, other tools like this packet opener, a file, and a flat screwdriver with a bottle opener, wire stripper. But it's a very cool knife. So another perspective, another thing compared to and also it's aluminum case, not a plastic case. So give it a try. I never used to buy Victorinox, and Victorinox isn't paying me for the promotion, but I like the folding knife. Ciao.